Today we are going to learn how we can record budget using Excel. You can use the free templates available on Excel which are totally free of cost. There are multiple templates which you can use depending upon your need. Your need could vary and accordingly you would choose the respective template which is the most suitable for you. You can have access to these templates by opening Excel, and at the top you can see that there are suggested searches. For example, business, personal, planners and trackers, list, budget. From among these options we will choose budget. After clicking on budget, you will see that there are multiple templates which have opened below. You can see that there is a template of monthly company budget. You can use this if you have to keep record of your company. You have to keep record of the expenses which have occurred during a specific month for the operations of your company. In the same way, we have another template, basic balance sheet. We can use this when we have to keep record of our balance sheet. You can record your asset, liabilities and equity using this template. Now there are multiple templates. For example, holiday budget plan. If you're going on a holiday and you have to record all the expenses, so this template would be the most suitable. In the same way, we have another template, wedding budget tracker. If you have to keep record of the expenses which have occurred to your wedding, then you would be using this template. Now you can see multiple more templates like food budget, business expense budget, website budget, baby shower planner, trip planner worksheet. If you're going on a trip and you have to keep record of all the expenses, so this would be the best template. If you're constructing a new house and you have to calculate that what expenses have incurred in building a new house, so we have another template available, home construction budget. If you have to keep record of your monthly personal budget, then we have another template available known as personal budget. You can use any of the free template by clicking on them. For example, if I have to use this template, I would click on it and then I would have to click on create. When you would be using the template for the very first time, you would get some basic instructions like about this template. Now as I have to keep record of my monthly personal budget, so the best suitable template for this purpose was personal budget, which I have opened here. In this template, you can see that you can record the expenses for each month from January to December. This template has category and further subcategory. For example, the category home has further subcategory known as mortgage or rent, daily living has further category grocery. We can change this category and subcategory depending upon our need. If I have to change any of the category or subcategory, I can do it in a very easy way. I just simply have to click on the cell. After clicking on the cell, I will simply type in the new information or the new item which I would have to record as a subcategory. Now, for example, if I have to type medicine over here because as a subcategory of health, I need medicine. Now I have recorded medicine in the subcategory of health. Now I can record the expenses of every month in these cells. Now I would type few random expenses for each of these months. For the month of January, for example, if I have paid 4,500 for rent, at the end, you can see that there is an automatically sum calculated by Excel template for all the expenses which have occurred during the month of January. In the same way, you can record expenses for all the months. You can see that in this template, we have two sheets available. The sheet which is currently open is named as expense. Note that these totals are exactly equal to the total expenses given in the summary sheet.